Do you love to contribute in keeping the environment clean? Do you love riding a bike, but worried of thefts, scratches, and looking for designated bike lock stands, or find it hard to carry in subways, elevators, buses, or simply worried of how much space it takes up at home? Look no more, because Foldy have you covered. Foldy's innovative design is compact, easy to store, and folds in only 7 seconds. Bring Foldy anywhere, no more locking outside the mall or on campus. Carry it easily in subways and elevators and store them easily at home or office. Foldy uses Shimano gears and components for uphill rides with rear racks for storage and available in 4 variations. London, economical, steel frame, compact and easy to store. Paris, compact alloy frame, easy to fold and store, lightweight. Copenhagen, lightweight alloy frame, super compact with rolls while folded feature. E-Foldy, lightweight powerful Foldy with a 250-watt motor, comes with headlight, distance and battery indicator and digital shifting. All of this and still easy to fold with rolls while folded feature. So what are you waiting for? Log on to www.chrissports.com today and pick up your new Foldy.